Renault's new Scenic, marketed in its electric form as the Scenic E-Tech, is presented as a clean-sheet, family-focused EV that leans hard on roomy practicality and sustainability. For 2026, Renault pitches the Scenic as the next-generation family car in its E-Tech lineup, with a design and packaging philosophy meant to maximize interior space while minimizing environmental impact. The new Scenic swaps the old compact MPV compromises for a low, wide stance and simplified exterior surfaces that emphasize visibility and aerodynamic efficiency. The overall effect is modern and friendly rather than aggressively sporty. What's new is less about gimmicks and more about packaging. Renault is using Alliance-developed EV architecture to squeeze a big interior into a relatively compact footprint, and the Scenic focuses on efficiency, practicality, and sustainability. Expect upgraded infotainment and driver assist bundles positioned to rival mainstream family SUVs, more screens and cleaner user flows, but with a clearly defined family-friendly UX rather than a tech showroom. The cabin materials lean into recycled and sustainably sourced textiles and plastics, matching Renault's stated E-Tech sustainability goals. Under the skin, the Scenic E-Tech follows the common EV recipe: electric motors married to a battery pack sized to balance range and interior space. Exact European variants will likely include a battery pack in the mid to large range for the segment, optimized more for usable real-world range and longevity than headline sprint times. Expect single-motor front-drive variants for efficiency and optional twin-motor setups for better performance or AWD capability in higher trims. Charging tech focuses on daily usability, decent AC charging and fast charge capability to keep families moving. On pricing, Renault will aim to undercut some premium EV contenders while staying competitive with family-oriented crossovers. Think mainstream EV pricing that makes the Scenic appealing to practical buyers rather than luxury shoppers. Launch timing is positioned around the mid-2020s rollout of Renault's broader E-Tech expansion. Markets will be staggered, with Europe first and other regions later. Renault's press messaging frames Scenic as an immediately practical EV for families and fleets. Inside, the Scenic emphasizes usable space, flat floors, clever storage, and seating flexibility with an airy, minimalist dash. Exteriors are intentionally clean, short overhangs, a long glasshouse, and functional aero details to improve range. Rivals for the Scenic are largely the family EV/crossover crowd: VW's smaller electrics, compact crossovers from Hyundai Kia, and any segment centerpiece that trades family practicality for electrified running costs.